Welcome to WinTrader. Today you can check the live video demonstration of Nifty options. So WinTrader buy sell signal software, how it's working in option segments. So in options I just prefer to show you that live demo signal, signal generator in Nifty option, means call option 15,400. You can check the live demonstration, live signal there. So now there's a buy signal generated in 15,400 call option. Buy signal generator price you can check on the top there, buy at what price, buy generated at 155.35. so buy signal generated now, the signal generated on this candle, at the next candle opening price we will check the signal, that we can confirm the signal. So if you once you get the signal, first we just want to check the confirmation. Confirmation means after the signal we have three confirmation parameter need to check. First confirmation is after the green arrow, if buy signal generate, bottom bar color, this color must be green first. Second confirmation is price in buy zone, below it should be price in buy zone. And the third confirmation, this candle color must be green. If these three confirmation are there, we can enter the trade. Right now the buy signal generator at the all three confirmations are matched with that buy signal. So you can enter the trade. The buy signal confirmed at 155.35. And the target and stop loss you can check in bottom. Once the signal got confirmed, once you enter the trade so you will get the target and stop loss. Target 1, target 2, target 3. 3 target with the trail stop loss we are giving you. So with that trailing stop loss and target you can exit the trade. If you achieve the target then you can exit with the profit. And maybe it suddenly reverse you can exit with the stop loss. So target, both target and stop loss the software will recommend you. Just follow that only. Usually if the riskless trade it's preferred to do exit with the first target. First target, right now we enter the trade at 155.35 and our first target is 170.85. So that means it's a profit of 10%. 10% return we are expecting with that first target. So you just check it now, first target is achieving or not. You can check in live market, it's moving up, so you may please check. This first target is 170, and right now the market is price is 170. Yeah, it's achieved the first target 170.85. so it's achieved. Maybe if you want you can exit with the first target of 15 points. 15 points means 1125 point profit. That's exact profit. It's 10% of return on your investment. So right now we are giving 183.30. so that is the second target. You can check now, this confirmation all are still there, so you can wait for the second target. No need to wait for first target, no exit for first target, you just wait for the second target. Second target, yes, achieved the second target. Its second target of 183.30 is achieved, which means a 27 point profit, 2025 rupees. It's 17% of return on your investment. That's the second target. And third target is 195.75. so you just checking there, means it's live market, it's the movements is going up only, so it's again it's going up, so we can wait for third target. Just you can check now, it's third targets all are achieving or not, that you can check with this demonstration. Because so right now all the time frame is in uptrend, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and all the time frame, those all the trend is in uptrend, so you can wait for the third target even. So usually once the signal confirm, the third target normally it's achieving. So here also you can check this third target price is 195.75, and right now the market is 180 more. So it's just you can check now it's going up or not, it's moving up. If it's 195.75 is reached, then you can exit. Yes, it's nearby the third target. Yeah, yes, it's achieved 195.70 is more than 195.70 right now, which means it's 40 points of profit now, 3000 rupees profit, 25% return on your investment. Yeah, it's more than enough. The normal trader, it is more than enough. So you can calculate that percentage means usually one lot of Nifty 15,400 rupees call we selected by cost around 12,000 rupees. So that 12,000, 3,000 rupees return we earn, which means is 25%, means 12,000 25%, 3,000 rupees. So right now one lot trade we earned 3,000 rupees profit. So this is the normal working procedure. So just it's like this, it's working. Just always we just want to check the signal and its confirmation. If the confirmation all are there, now you can directly enter the trade. Just need to check 3 confirmation after the signal. If buy signal, the bottom bar should be green and price must be buy zone and candle color must be green. If sell signal generate, the bottom bar should be red and price zone should be price in sell zone and candle color must be red, like this. So these 3 things are there. Now you can enter the sell trades, short sell also. So here I mentioned the buy trade only, so long trade only. Here the buy signal generate, all the confirmation also was there. So you exit with the third target. After this third target, again if it's continue the buy trend, after buy trend, then there will be no other buy signal should generate, because already buy signal generated and it's continuing. In that case, after this third target, if it is there any chance to end up in market, now we'll get re-entry suggestion here, right in the right dashboard, right corner there is a dashboard as re-entry suggestion. Right now it's in wait mode. Is there any chance again it's continue the buy trend? Now we'll get new buy price will be appear here with the new target. That's the re-entry suggestion. Target entry price and target price will be generated if the signal continue. So that in that case only we'll get the re-entry suggestion. So like this it's always working, and we have a scanner facility. The scanner will scan and give you the pick you the proper stock name which is in buy mode, buy signal generate or sell signal generate, like that. The scanner will support you. No need to check all the chart. Just open the scanner and just keep that watching, and scanner will automatically scan and give you the alert, alerts if any buy or sell signal detect from the watch list. So this is the brief things. Like this is working. So you can check a live demonstration. You can call me or WhatsApp me with this mentioned number. Here we mentioned all the details are properly. You can call to 9061308080. This is my number and WhatsApp number too. You can call or WhatsApp me. I will share you all other details, and even live demo also I'll provide you. Live market, how it's working, you can check in live market too. And otherwise you can check in our website. Our website address is www.wintradersoft.com. So thank you for watching this video. Take care.